Law Office of Charles Huber. I wanted to talk briefly about tax refunds. When people file Chapter 7 bankruptcy, they of course want to wipe out their debts. But there's another side of Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and that is whether you have any assets that might be subject to being turned over to your bankruptcy trustee. In many cases, the only asset that people have is their tax refund. So it's very important to consult with your attorney to make sure that you get the benefit of your tax refund for the year in which you file. The most important thing about this is the timing. Everything centers around the timing, the date of the filing of your bankruptcy. If on the date that you file your bankruptcy, you have already received your tax refund for that year, that money is now nothing more than money in your bank. It has to be spent before we can file your case. The best thing is to consult with your attorney on how that money is going to be spent before you spend it. It's much easier to plan ahead of time rather than try to undo something that has already been done. The other situation is you want to file your bankruptcy, but you have not yet received your tax refund for that year. Then it all depends on what is the nature of your tax refund. If that money consists entirely or mostly of what we call, or what are called, refundable credits, like earned income credit or a child exemption, then that money is going to be exempt even though you have not received it yet. If, however, it is not in that form, then that money may end up having to be turned over to your trustee. So the bottom line is, always consult your attorney before you file bankruptcy and before you receive or spend your tax refunds.